Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Monday, January 27th. For everyone celebrating the Chinese New Year, the year of the white metal rat, I wish you much happiness, good health, and prosperity in the coming year. And for everyone else, hope you also have a wonderful weekend. But let's start here with what's happening with the stock indices and the coronavirus. We've had two confirmed cases in the United States. A third one is pending. We have a number of people that are being watched. So there's a lot of concern in the marketplace, and that's what we're seeing here. The S&P traded below its bearish level. The magnitude change there is $2,000 a contract. I do look for some further weakness in Asia, depending on what we find over the weekend, possibly in Europe. If not, if nothing else happens, we have a chance for a bounce in Europe to set up the U.S. session. Right now I'm looking for unchanged to lower in that market. Now let's take a look at the dollar, and we're going to look at it in terms of what we see here with the Bitcoin market. It's set up as a bullish move. That would imply an up move on Monday. I really wonder, though, is there enough behind this to drive that market? I have my doubts about that, but that is bullish. The note market traded just one tick below that low. That magnitude change in that market, $375 a contract, and the short side of this failed. It went down and it popped right back up. I look for an inside day on Monday in that market. Let's move on over to metals. And copper continues its move to the downside. I expected it to slow down and give us that rally. That is not happening. Right now, we're not sure what's going to be happening with China in terms of demand, and that's the result of that. I do look for unchanged or lower, but a smaller range in that market. I'm looking for a sideways move to only slightly lower also in the nat gas market and in the grains. Corn traded below its bearish level. The magnitude change here in that market's $250 a contract. I'm looking for an inside to slightly lower move there, and in the wheat market. I'm looking for an inside day on Monday, and the magnitude change here is $100 a contract. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. Looking forward to being with you again, and as always, take care.